So I have a couple of questions to ask you, and it would take 5 minutes, if that's okay.
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
Okay. So, first of all, I just want to ask you, are you over 18?
No. I'm not.
You're not?
Overeating, right? Overeating?
Yes.
No, I am not overeating. I am going to gym and I am balancing my diet.
No.
What do you mean?
Are you over 18 years of age?
Can you spelling, please?
What age are you?
Oh, age.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I'm 22.
You're 26, is it?
I'm 22.
Okay.